How do we check the environmental temperature probe on this machine? First, remove the 2 screws from the front panel. This is the environmental temperature probe. Check if it has fallen off. If it doesn't fall off like this, it's undamaged. How do we manually defrost? First, the ice has already been made. Press the defrost button. Now it's in defrost mode. The temperature is rising. This is normal. After pressing the manual defrost button, how does the environmental temperature change? First, press the defrost button. The environmental temperature will slowly rise. It's normal for it to rise to around 7 to 8 degrees. The environmental temperature is normal. The display is normal. Then the ice will fall off soon. How do we check the scale in the ice tray? First, touch it with your finger to check if the ice tray is dirty or has scale. If it's dirty, it needs to be cleaned.